Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Tip Tuesday. Now today I'm going to be talking about a Maxim facility product. This does protect your surfaces against COVID. It's great for cruise ships, for public office buildings like schools, your office if you're watching this from your business. How you're going to use it, it's very simple. You're just going to spray your surface. Now, of course, make sure that before you spray this, that you have your goggles, your gloves, and that you did dilute the product, because you just want to make sure that everybody is safe. But leave that sit for a minute while it's working. And then after it has sat for a minute, you do want to wipe it up. And then leave that air dry, and your surfaces should be safe. Have a great rest of the day. Thanks.